Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be washing my face, which may sound boring, but from the title, side note, the title is a bit clickbaity because no, you cannot get clear skin in 60 seconds. Although technically once I kind of talk through the whole thing, you'll see what I mean. But definitely if you're here looking for a quick fix for how to just clear up your skin like that, then this is not that video. Also, when I say clear skin in 60 seconds, I just mean for if you have normal skin and you're not really acne prone. If you have acne prone skin or you have like a proper skin issue, then I don't think that this method or technique is going to be really life-changing, and it probably won't make that much of a difference to your skin overall, but this can still be a helpful tip, trick, whatever you want to call it, that you can still use to help you on your overall clear skin journey. So like the title of this video suggests, how to get clear skin in 60 seconds, I will be washing my face. As you can see, I'm not in my bathroom, so I've got a small bowl that has water in it, so I'm gonna try and wash my face not in a bathroom, and we're gonna see how well that goes. So basically this video is about the 60-second method. It's not really a method so much, it's more of a practice, and I didn't know this was a real thing until last year when I read an article about it by LABEAUTYOLOGIST Nyamka Roberts-Smith, and she is I think she's an esthetician, and she really like champions the 60-second method, which is basically just making sure that you're washing your face for at least 60 seconds. So I didn't know that this was actually a real thing, because I think for as long as I can remember, whenever I wash my face, I just always stand there like massaging my face for such a long time. But I didn't know that that's really what you should be doing. So when I found out that that was actually true, it made me feel so much better about my life, just that I'm not just wasting my time in a way. And funnily enough, I actually wrote a blog post about this last year, and I'm going to have a link to that blog post down below. But in this video, I'm pretty much just going to read everything that I wrote in the post. So I'm going to first of all start with what is the 60-second method. So like I've said, the 60-second method is basically just washing your face, not washing your face, but massaging your cleanser on your face for at least 60 seconds. Now what this does is this, one, make sure that your face is clean. It really helps to clean off any dirt, pollution, makeup, just the environmental stresses, free radicals, just really anything. If you can massage your cleanser on your face for at least 60 seconds, then that really helps. Two, it gives a chance for the cleanser to actually work. So say I've got my Murad cleanser, which has prebiotics in it, and it's there to help like nourish and plump your skin. If I'm only massaging that on my face for like 2 or 3 seconds, then I'm not getting the benefits of the cleanser. Whereas if I'm there massaging it properly into my skin for a full minute, then all of the prebiotics, all of the other good ingredients, they get the opportunity to then sink into my skin and start to work on my face. Because if I'm just putting it on for 2 seconds and then rinsing it off, one, my face is not clean at all, and two, I'm wasting product because the product hasn't really had a chance to really get into the skin. So I'm just going through the blog post, but like I said, I'm going to have a link to the blog post down below. So why 60 seconds? According to Nyamka, you should cleanse for 60 seconds because it softens the skin and dissolves sebum blockages better. Texture and overall evenness also improves. So like I said, it helps to really properly clean out the skin. And when I say that you're massaging your skin for a minute, you want to make sure that you're not massaging in a really aggressive, rough or hard way, because that can cause inflammation, which can then lead to breakouts, and you can just do more damage to your skin if you're too rough on it. But a gentle like 60-second massage on your face. Also guys, side note, who doesn't love a massage? And I think if you watch any of my routine videos that include me washing my face or doing anything like that, you see that I'm always there just like massaging my face, and I use different parts of my hand. I'm not a masseuse, I'm not a beautician, cosmetologist, esthetician or anything like that, but I like to use different parts of my hand to clean and massage different parts of my face, because I actually don't know why, I just think it's really therapeutic to wash my face like that and to use different parts of my hand, because there are different pressure points and certain things feel a bit better. So sometimes I'll use my fingers if I want a focused massage. If I want something more like broad, then I'll use my palms, but sometimes I'll use like this part of my hand to really like get in there to help massage like the tension and like the dirt and stuff away. So many dermatologists also agree that massaging your cleanser on your face for this long helps to get rid of sweat, pollution, makeup, dirt, and all of that stuff. These are the things that lead to like breakouts and inflammation and things like that. So you can see that if you do start to massage your cleanser in your face for 60 seconds, then you can see how you slowly break down those bondages, meaning that you're less likely to get spots. But again, if you have acne prone skin, I don't think that washing your face for 60 seconds is gonna miraculously make your acne go away. So like I said in the beginning, for serious like skin conditions, I would, you know, speak to a doctor, a dermatologist, an actual professional who can help you get the help and treatment that you need. But definitely washing your face for 60 seconds will for sure help, at least just to clear away any like active spots or anything. So even for me, I found that on the days that I am properly at the sink, stood there for 5 minutes just massaging my face, my skin looks so much better, it feels so much better, and I just have less spots for a longer period of time. There was definitely a time like a couple of weeks ago where I wasn't that diligent with cleansing my face, and my face just erupted in many things, and I think I can just always tell when I'm not cleansing my face properly, because I just get more like, I don't know, I just get more on my face and it's more obvious to me, and my face is a bit more rough, not rough, but it's like less smooth, it's less glowy, it's less bright, and literally all of that just from not washing my face for a significant amount of time. Which it's so crazy to think that something so simple can have such a huge effect on your skin and on your skincare and how everything like looks and sits. So crazy. And then something quite interesting that I'd actually forgotten about that I'm just reading now on the blog post is not only is spending 60 seconds washing your face good for clean skin, but it's also good for draining toxins out of your body. This is also known as lymphatic drainage. An influencer slash blogger that I really love, Lauren Everett's Bostic from the Skinny Confidential, she always talks about lymphatic drainage and how it's so important to make sure that you're like draining all of the toxins and all of that extra liquid that you don't want and that shouldn't be like stored in your face, just draining it out of your body. And massaging your face is a great way to make sure that you're draining everything out. I think there is a specific technique that you can do to help with lymphatic drainage in the face. I don't know that technique, but I know there is definitely a technique that you can do that can help, and it's just relaxing and it feels nice to just be it just feels nice to wash your face. Not even to wash your face, it just feels nice to massage your face for 60 seconds. And if you think of it as a moment to yourself, your eyes are closed and you're just massaging your face, and I don't know, like it's just nice. If you're one of those people who you live such a busy life, everything is so hectic, you don't really have time for things, you can't just go and get a massage whenever you want. Also, I think massage places are closed right now, but you can't just like do those things whenever you want to do them, or you can't afford to do those things, then literally just massaging your face for 60 seconds it will do you a world of good. And if you do it in the morning and in the evening, you start your day in a relaxed state, you end your day in a relaxed state, and it's just beautiful all around. It really is just so therapeutic, and I really feel like the 60-second method is for sure it's for sure one of the main things that I would say if you're new to skincare and you're just new to everything, before you go out and you start buying like a £90 cleanser, like a £50 cleanser, make sure that you even know how to use the cheapest things that you have. And massaging a product on your face for 60 seconds, it's as easy as that. And again, like I said, if you have acne or severe skin issues, washing your face for 60 seconds is not gonna just clear that up overnight. It's not gonna improve everything suddenly, but it can definitely help in getting things a bit more under control, and it is definitely a great place to start. So I've literally been talking for like 50 minutes. So now we're gonna get into the actual face wash portion. Okay guys, so I'm just cutting into the video. This is the next day, because I realized that the cleanser that I used to demonstrate washing my face for 60 seconds, it didn't like stay foamy and colored on my face, and I wanted to properly show you what it looks like to cleanse your face for 60 seconds. So what I've decided to do is, I'm wearing makeup today. I'm wearing quite a lot of makeup. So I've just decided that I'm going to show you how I cleanse my face with an oil cleanser as well as with a normal cleanser, just so you can see what it looks like to massage your face for 60 seconds. Okay, my battery's about to die, so I'm going to be super quick. Okay, I don't know how to do it. Okay, I forgot to put a timer on, but I can see the time on my camera. So I'm just massaging. And we go. Okay, so that was with an oil. Also, before I get on, as you can see, I have a spot coming up. So that is why I say that just because you cleanse your face for 60 seconds doesn't mean you're going to have perfectly clear skin at all times. So if you do have things like hormonal acne, hormonal spots, like around the time of my period, I always get like spots that come up on my face. So obviously washing your face for 60 seconds isn't going to ensure that you never get spots, but it's definitely a way to help your spots recover a lot quicker. And also just for general times, more so if your spots are caused by like dirt and makeup and stuff, you do want to make sure that you're massaging it, but I've already covered all of that in the video. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put a timer on as well so I don't forget, what it looks like to properly massage your face for 60 seconds. I've got my timer on for 1 minute. I'm going to put on for 1 minute and 2 seconds just because those extra 2 seconds are going to give me the time to like get my bearings, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's that. So I've got my cleanser. Also, I'm using the Murad cleanser. Love this cleanser. I have a video on this cleanser as well, which you can see. Okay, so this is my timer going off. And it doesn't have the time, but yeah, that is the timer. And start. Okay, you can see, wow, so my alarm's actually just gone off. I don't know if you can hear. Okay, let me just rub in a bit more. So that is literally it. I'm gonna go rinse my face, but let's get back into the video. It's very dark. It's gotten really dark outside. So there we have a nice clean face. And I think this is literally the simplest, easiest, cheapest way that you can get yourself to have good skin. I really do feel like if you wash your face for 60 seconds for at least like 30 days, I honestly believe you will see a difference in your face because the cleanser will be cleaning your skin more deeply and a lot better. The benefits of the cleanser will be going into your skin twice a day, more often, a bit deeper, just working the extra bit more, and you'll just have like cleaner, clearer, brighter skin. So yes, that is this video done. I actually wanted to do a face mask, but I don't want to film everything just because I want to keep this mask on for a long time. But you know what? Let me put this mask on. So this is the Glow Pop Brightening Black Clay Mask. If you watched that first impressions video, then you will know all about this mask. I like this mask, but I wasn't super wowed by it just because the licorice smell is a lot, but I've come to like it. Like, I love this face mask. It's weirdly hydrating. It doesn't dry out your skin. I mean, the smell is definitely the only thing that I can't really get behind, but it's a small price to pay. And I love that it's grey and it turns up grey on my face. I think it's kind of a vain vanity, not a big deal kind of thing, but I've done so many like clay masks that are grey on lighter skinned people, but they just come up looking green on my skin. And I don't know, having a clay mask come up actually looking grey on my face, I just think that's such a big thing to me, even though it really is kind of like it's such a non-issue, and I think no one else probably cares about it. But anyway, I love this face mask. It's really great. I have a full video on the glow pot, so make sure you check that out after this one if you want more information on this clay mask. I am going to leave this on for at least an hour or two, literally up until I have my shower and go to bed. So I'm not going to show you me taking off or my evening skincare routine. I just wanted to talk about how to wash your face. So guys, this is where we end the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if you thought that I would give you the answer to how to have clear skin in literally 60 seconds. I'm sorry I lied to you, but I hope you were able to take away some tips. I'm pretty sure that you are washing your face for 60 seconds anyway, and this video was not really useful, but even still, I hope you enjoyed this video and thought it was useful. Oh, I do have to say that when I double cleanse, I also use each cleanser for 60 seconds, especially if I'm oil cleansing, to make sure that I get all of the oil off, and then to make sure that my second cleanser's benefits gets into my skin, I definitely massage that on for 60 seconds. And when I am oil cleansing, I make sure to massage the oil on my face for 60 seconds, because then that really gets all of the makeup off. For exfoliators and stuff like that, I actually do also use those for 60 seconds, but the exfoliators that I use are very gentle. They're not super abrasive. I think if you do have a super abrasive exfoliator, you should, one, probably reconsider that, or two, only exfoliate for like 30 seconds or something. You don't want to completely rub your skin raw. Yeah, I guess that is everything. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.